So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about a new company called FETTY, which helps you get access to higher paying jobs. And within minutes, you can fill out the link below to sign up for FETTY, and they're gonna start sending you jobs, and they're looking for gig workers who have experience so you can get higher paying jobs, higher earnings, and potentially even an easy job that pays you a ton of money. So stop applying for tons of jobs and use FETTY with our link below so you can get jobs sent to you automatically. And who knows, maybe you could actually land the job of your dreams and make way more money than you ever dreamed of. So get started with FETTY completely for free, and within minutes, you'll get jobs sent right to you. Lyft rolls out feature to make airport pickups faster. This comes out in LA and Chicago. So if you're a Lyft driver in LA, Chicago, and it's gonna go out it looks like it's gonna go out nationwide as well to the major airports, you wanna make sure you listen to this. Lyft incoming CEO discusses the changes he will make to turn the company's stock around. Yeah, guys, Lyft stock has absolutely tanked, crashed, burned to the ground, 90% down since its opening. If you invested $10 in Lyft when it first opened, your $10 is only worth $1 now. It's the absolute worst investment of all time to invest in Lyft.
Oh.
But yeah, let's listen to the update real quick by Izzy, our reader.
So, Lyft is rolling out with a new feature ahead of the bustling summer travel season to reduce the time riders wait for a car at the airport. Both Uber and Lyft have been launching new products and expanding their services in recent months, including features aimed at easing the stress of airport travel to gain market share and be seen as the dominant player in the space. For its latest innovation, Lyft is launching an airport pre-order feature at some of the biggest travel hubs across the country.
So basically, you'll get matched with the passenger before they land. So, you know, most planes now have Wi-Fi, and if you're a driver and you get a ride request from a passenger and it looks like they're in Idaho, but you're in Arkansas, you're gonna be like, why are they so far away? Well, they're literally gonna be in the freaking plane still while they're ordering a ride for you. So I could see how this could just cause so many problems where you're like, yeah, you're at LAX, and then the guy's still in Arizona, but you're like, wait, what? But, you know, from Arizona to LA, what is it, like 30-minute flight? Like, so they're going to land pretty soon. And if they're not checking bags, they might be out pretty fast. You just got to keep that in mind. But if they are checking bags, yeah, get ready to wait like 45 minutes.
I mean, sure. Well, like the whole point was that they're trying to match a driver and a passenger that look like they'll make it there at the same time.
Yeah, so you might get it might say like, maybe you're 20 minutes from the airport. They might match you with the passenger who's flying still.
Yeah, I still don't really understand how this...
Yeah, this is a huge new update. So let me know, guys, do you think this is good or bad? And again, big shout out to FETTY, the new company that is going to help you get higher paying jobs. So use the link below. It only takes 2 minutes. You just fill out a couple of questions. So use our link below for FETTY, and they're going to help you get a better job. Thanks for watching, guys.